Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the laptop down and removing power sources to avoid short circuits. Once done, ground yourself and remove the rear panel or keyboard bezel using a thin spudger and Phillips #0. This exposes the keyboard cover fasteners. Make sure to keep screws organized by location and photograph the layout. You should now see the keyboard assembly clips and ribbon connector. Gently lift the edge to reveal the cable. This step prevents damage and sets you up for the delicate middle work. You'll continue by releasing the keyboard cover clips systematically from one side. Use steady pressure and a plastic tool to avoid breaking tab anchors. Once the cover is loose, locate the ribbon cable and flip its latch or slide the connector to release the cable. Do not pull the ribbon. Inspect the cover under bright light for cracked plastic, missing clips, or degraded adhesive. If the foam or rubber stops are missing, note their positions for replacement. This prevents future misalignment and rattling. You finish by repairing or replacing damaged clips and applying 0.5 mm double-sided tape where adhesive failed. Align the cover and press evenly to snap clips back in place. Reinsert the ribbon until it's fully seated, lock the latch, and reconnect battery and power. Boot and test every key. Use an online keyboard tester if available. If some keys fail, power down and reseat the ribbon or try cleaning contacts with isopropyl alcohol. Repeat until reliable, then reassemble fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.